Focus. At some point, we all have trouble with focus. For some it's a constant struggle, like myself, and others it's just something that creeps in when we're tired or disinterested. So here are 5 quick tips for helping to stay focused. 1. 5 more rule. If you are in the middle of a task and are frustrated or feel like giving up, just do 5 more. Read 5 more pages, work 5 more minutes, 5 more squats, finish 5 more of something. By doing this and pushing just a little further, you build your mental and physical stamina. 2. 1 think at a time. Don't allow thoughts of other tasks or worries invade the time you have for your present task. Make a deal with yourself and schedule a time to think about, take care of, or even worry about whatever that interfering topic is. Write it down and then allow free to forget about it until you are done with your current task. 3. Conquer procrastination. Are you putting off a task? Ask yourself 3 questions. Do I have to do this? Do I want it done? Will it be any easier later? Most often delaying will only add to your guilt and stress, which just eats up even more of your time and energy. Remind yourself that procrastination takes up more of your mind and time. Speaking of procrastination, be a pal, don't procrastinate, hit that like button. 4. Use blinders. This may seem like a very basic thing, but for some it works. When you have distractions around you that draw your eyes and focus away from your task, set yourself up with blinders to help eliminate visual distractions and focus. Sit in a cubicle or towards a corner, or even do something as simple as cupping your hand over your eyes on your forehead to block out distractions. This helps you go from wide angle to telephoto focus, giving you tunnel vision so you can better focus. 5. See what's in front of you. Sometimes we are looking at something but we're not really seeing it. Often, we are half-heartedly completing tasks while our mind is completely wandering off on some other topic. This makes the task take much longer and usually not completed with the best quality. Next time your mind is a million miles away, simply look around you and really see your surroundings. Be present and you will be more efficient and do a better job. Try these 5 simple tips the next time you need to focus on something and see how much more efficient and effective you become. It will also help you to stress less. Share in the comments if you have a different way that helps you focus. If you need help staying focused, check out SK Coaching. Book a strategy call now by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet.